Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 2, Episode 10. Normally today I have enough time to watch 2 episodes. I'm gonna try to watch 2 episodes today. And after that, in another day, I'm gonna watch the 2 final episodes of this Season 2. Like I said during one of my last reaction video about The Expanse, I'm already scared about missing this show when I'm gonna finish the binge watching. I'm trying to not think about that a lot because I don't want to anticipate the fact that I'm gonna miss the show and miss the characters. I have this season to finish, and after that I have all the season 3 to discover, so that's already great. I can't complain. You guys are waiting for season 4 since really a long time, so I can't complain. Okay, so right now when I'm filming this reaction video, I posted my last reaction video about The Expanse already, about the episode 9, and you were a few to say me that the girl who is working with Fred Johnson is gonna be important in the future, that this was the beginning of you loving her because she was acting like a badass. Like I said, for me, her move at the end, killing those 2 guys, that was really like a Miller move, you know? So I'm open to the idea of liking her, but right now, I want to be honest with you, I'm not loving her because I don't know a lot about her, you know? Because for what I saw so far about her, she was working with Fred Johnson, but she was also giving him the advice to steal the missiles, and after that she was flirting with Anderson Dawes and thinking about the fact of maybe betray him, and after that she changed her mind and she defended Fred Johnson. So really I'm trying to understand her. You know me, you saw my evolution with the season 1 of The Expanse, you saw me, you know that I cannot like and appreciate a character if I don't understand him or her, if I can't be involved with him, with her, because I know him or her, because I know his or her feelings, all of that. So I need more. About her, I need more. Draper, during the last episode, she had her testimony, and at first she didn't tell the truth, and after that she told the truth, and after that she retracted. But like I said during my reaction video about this episode, I'm not disappointed because of that. I mean about her, because I can understand really why she did that, why she retracted, because they gave her the order to lie, so I understand her. And I hope that the fact that she told a little bit of the truth, it's not gonna be a problem for her right now, I hope. So now Chris Wren and Erin Wright and the government of Earth, they know more about this alien thing which is coming. I want to see and to know more about that, because really right now we just have the proto-molecule, which was a problem during season 1, the impact of Eros on Venus, and the proto-molecule is still active right there. We have also the sample of the proto-molecule that Naomi chose to not destroy. I'm not happy about that. We have also this scientist that Anderson Dawes now has, and I'm not happy about that. Diogo, what did you do? I know that what he did was really wrong, and you were a lot on the comments to say to me that maybe I'm too protective with him. I understand that, and like I said, I'm really like, he's my little brother, so I know that what he did was wrong, but I can't be mad at him because of that. Like you can be with your family, you know? You can be like, what they did, it's wrong, but you're gonna protect them no matter what. And it's like that for me, for Diogo. But I'm worried about him now, because this girl, she said that maybe Fred Johnson is gonna space Diogo. I can't understand why, but I don't want that to happen. Please. I don't know how I can react if Diogo is gonna be spaced. See, I'm already stressed just to think about it. Oh, and on the last episode we discovered Prax and his daughter May, and with only 2 episodes I'm already in love with those characters. I'm already worried about them. I really hope that he's gonna find her. I'm not sure about what the Dr. Lawrence did to her. Maybe some experiment with injections of the protomolecule or something else. That can be good. Or maybe now she has powers or something like that. We are in a sci-fi show, so everything can happen for me. Really, I'm open to every possibility. I don't know, so really I'm open about that. Okay, that's enough. I'm talking too much, like always, so let's go for the episode 10.
If we do what we came here to do, I'll figure out a way to live with it.
It's really about that for all them, you know? But he's changing also, he's evolving.
I don't sound a maniac.
No, you're not.
She's not dead.
No, she's not.
I see if anyone who worked there still around.
A friend of Sergeant Draper's family here to offer moral support.
He didn't seem like a supportive type.
No.
Your ship's
You're right.
towards ours at Ganymede. So unless your intention is to have us shooting at each other again, let's do what we came here to do.
You're threatening her, really?
But I know I saw something.
Ah, yes. A man standing on the surface of Ganymede
Not a man.
without a vac suit. Then we do what's best for you and for the Corps.
What does it
I
mean?
want to see the ocean before I leave.
Oh, yes, please.
Sorry, you're under restrictions now.
Maybe a little walk outside with Crispin?
Open the shades.
My baby. You're not thinking about what I think you are thinking?
I want you to go over every goddamn molecule on that armor and tell me if there's anything you've missed. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Change your tone, but continue in that way of searching the truth. What?
Serum indicates a nitrogen imbalance. We have phage-resistant bacteria and hydroponic plants to prevent that. Which means if something got in and killed the good bacteria, yes, me.
What? What? Why?
Our children are out there somewhere. And you just leave.
He's just right there.
If May's still living, maybe Katoa is too.
Rome will know.
Who is Roma?
He finds people. He's helping me. He's helping all.
Are you on drugs?
You get more chicken, he gives you more video. He said that he could find Katoa.
Is he a dog? Oh, you're gonna lose your mind, you. Maybe his kid is gonna die and he's gonna lose his mind and he's gonna kill everyone or something like that. Maybe I'm imagining too much things.
I believe the Ganymede was a test of a new weapon that Jules Pierre Mao was developing for Mars. because I was working with him.
You're telling her the truth? It's coming clear.
You've known for a while.
That's a +1 for him, really.
You need to understand that this started out as a conversation about peace, about the discovery of this incredible proto-molecule. This was a way to guarantee the safety of the Earth.
At a terrible price.
You're the one
Yes.
who taught me that Earth must come first.
And Earth, 100,000 souls. Did I teach you that?
If I had known what was going to happen on Eros, I would have stopped the project and Jewel Caramel along with it. And you know that.
I didn't know that. I'm glad to hear that.
But what we need to do right now is keep the system from burning down. This is everything.
I have
that I know.
more respect for him now than I had before.
If Ganymede really was a test, and it's just the beginning.
Oi! You're not gonna jump. You're not gonna jump. She's not gonna jump. T'es pas un toboggan. No. No, 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 no. Ah, fucking bird. Are you alright? Yes, she's alright. You're free, my baby. I love her. That's it. I love her. I said my baby. When I say my baby about a character without even thinking a minute about it,
In that case,
I'm not sure I'm gonna like him. You stole all of that.
you kid Copain? This guy just wants to find his little girl. She's sick. It's business.
He sounds like a sociopath. I'm anxious about him.
No, chicken, back in the line.
I was gonna say this is my Amos, but
Being helpless.
Absolutely.
this is the extreme Amos. Nice sociopath versus villain sociopath. Amos has mental issues. I love him, but I'm aware of that.
Because she's no longer in them.
Yes, she's free.
Very interesting.
Are we information sharing repairing right now?
I'll tell him later. At this moment, he's more useful to me outside of a jail cell.
You're the only person.
Yes,
who knows
it
the
makes
truth.
sense.
The only
Something changed with Aaron, right?
Yes, I saw it too.
Maybe when he saw Eris paddling towards Earth, that it was time to make amends.
I believe in that. I believe in redemption, in second chance. You are really seeing the worst about Earth.
Well, I've seen a few of you over the years, being how close we are to the UN.
Are you really a nice person? Please.
I put myself on the vocational training list when I was 17 years old. I'm 52 now.
But people of Earth are dying really, really old. So
Go back the way it came. Until you see a drainage tunnel on your right.
Got it.
that's all.
Bobby.
Nico.
Here's what you do. Be planted.
Yes, I can chill them. You saw me. You saw my face.
You said you weren't a homicidal maniac.
He's not.
Didn't kill him. Not yet.
Not a good defense.
After they have the kid, they push him right back out on the streets even before they have a chance to heal. Some people deserve to be punished.
You don't have to be the one to decide that. You can't be that one, Amos.
I felt almost relieved. She was sick her whole life and I couldn't fix her. I couldn't help her the way a father's supposed to.
Oh, don't.
I know it's not.
Ah, I was this close.
I'll only be able to get away with it for another week, maybe two, and after that, the air, the scrubbing plants, what's left of them, will die off.
What about people? Are they giving that water to people also?
The station's dead already. You just don't know it yet.
Alex? Okay. You're drunk, my baby. You're so drunk, my baby. And he has the beer baby bump, you know. That was fun.
That's as far as you can go.
Swear. That's Walter's part of the station. No camera after that.
What's that?
That's pretty convenient. No? Like, if you want to hide something, you're doing your thing right there. You look afraid. My baby's gonna see the ocean. Yes, I can cry just because of that. Because of her discovering the ocean. It's tears of joy for once. Oh, of course, Chris Pine is here.
Is it everything you thought it would be?
More than that.
Here. This is what attacked you and your team, isn't it?
Project
A
Caliban?
new type of weapon. It was being tested in Ganymede
Tasted.
by your own government.
Are you sure of that?
I need to know who is doing this and why. I need
Me
your
too.
help.
We need to go now.
Trust her, please, Draper. Trust Chris Pine. Fuck you. My baby was free. For some seconds, for some minutes, she was free. She discovered Earth, the worst about Earth, but also the best with the ocean. She really wanted to see the ocean. I'm so glad that she did, really. She has to trust Chris Pine to work with her. I don't know how she can help Chris Pine right now because she don't know a lot about what happened in Ganymede. She just saw that thing. Oh, maybe because she didn't tell Chris Pine about the drone, the camera drone. Maybe that's gonna be important. But for the rest, I don't see her being important for Chris Pine. Or maybe Chris Pine wants her to be like a spy. Maybe. We'll see about that. So the Dr. Lawrence took May on an area of Ganymede with no camera. That's pretty convenient, and I'm pretty sure that behind this area is doing bad stuff, because really doing things in a zone where you can hide, that's not great. I don't like Roma at all. I'm not like Amos, I don't want to break his head. Maybe this is a good word for that. I'm not like that. But I understand why Amos is doing that each time, I mean. Why he can be violent. Because of his history, because of his way of seeing things all in white or all in black. I understand that way of thinking. I'm not sharing it, but I understand it. And he's still one of my favorites. He's still my crush, even if I don't agree with him about doing that, I mean. But the evolution of Holden is interesting because I said during previous episode, I don't know which one, I said that Naomi Miller was alive, so that was a long time ago. I said that Naomi, Miller, Amos, they thought about things with the same way. You know, they were thinking that the end justifies the means. You can do bad things along the path as long as the end of the path is good, is right. For Holden, during the first season, that was not like that. For Holden, you have also to make the right decision during the path for having a good end. You can't have the good end if you don't make good decisions. And that thing changed. You can see it during this episode really. During one of the last episodes, he wanted to kill the scientist. That was already an evolution. But right there, during this episode, is also explaining why it changed. You know, because of all of what he did, because of all of what he saw, he changed that way of seeing things and is more like Amos and Miller can be, was for Miller, but is more like that, and Naomi now is more like the one who is reminding him who he was. So that's interesting to see this evolution for Holden. The part with Alex was funny. That was not really useful, but that was fun. I think that he was drunk because he thought about his family, so he wanted to be drunk to forget that he misses them, maybe, something like that. That was a great episode. It didn't feel at all like a 40 minutes episode. I had the impression that that was a 20 minutes episode because a lot of things happened during it, but it felt also like it was, you know, really, really quick. So I'm glad that right now I'm gonna watch the episode 11. It's gonna be in another day for you and in just 10 minutes for me. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.